Namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. So today I'm doing things very differently here. I'm not going to use any tarot cards. Okay. So this is going to be intuitive reading. I'm going to channel messages and give it to you guys. So yeah, this message might resonate with you. It might not resonate with you. So this is me getting out of my comfort zone, doing something very different. Yeah, I have not done anything like this. So yeah, I just felt called to it. When I was like sitting there meditating, this is what I got. Like, just do this. So I'm like, yeah, if yeah. I felt like doing and I did it, and I don't know how this is going to work, but yeah, I'm getting out of my comfort zone, doing something different, right? So yeah, I hope you get your messages. Yeah, if it's not resonating, just click off the video, guys. Okay. So yeah, so this is me experimenting things, doing something, trying to do something different. Okay. Yeah, maybe you might get a message. So yeah, so what is like, we have three piles over here. So select if you are born on if your birthday dates are from 1 to 10th, choose this pile. If it's from 11 to 20, choose the second pile. And if it's from 21 to 31st of any month, select group number 3. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna start. If your birthday date lands on 1 to 10th of any month, then this is your message, your channel message. So I'm not using any tarot cards today, so I'm just going to channel your messages. So this is the first time I'm doing something like that, so bear with me. And yeah, sometimes we need to take a risk, and sometimes we need to get out of a comfort zone, right? So maybe this is also your message. So I'm doing something that is out of my comfort zone, and let's try. Yeah, I'm not thinking too much about the outcome, but I'm just going to do it anyways. So yeah, maybe one or two messages might resonate with you. If it helps, I'll be very grateful. Yeah, so let's start. Okay, so the first message, I'm feeling like crown chakra. Crown chakra, maybe you need to work on your crown chakra. Okay, your view is very limited. You need to expand your vision. Okay, when we connect with the universe, that is when we expand our vision. That is when we feel like there is a lot of abundance in the universe. Sometimes we feel like, oh, what if I take that opportunity? They will not get this opportunity. Like your spirit guides, your angels are telling, there is a lot of ton of abundance in the universe. You don't have to worry about whether you're taking anyone's else opportunity. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so for some of you, it's like I'm getting so smoking. I'm seeing a smoking person. Sometimes we find comfort outside of us, like smoking, sex, drinking alcohol. If you're overindulging in it, it's time to stop that behavior and reduce it. I'm saying reduce the things. Even if you overindulge in like healthy eating, then it is also bad. Like we have some अमृत भी विष बन जाता है if we if we overdo it. Like it's a Hindi thing I'm getting, like the holy water, like amrit, like something very holy thing. If you drink it a lot, it will become poison. So anything that is good, if you have it a lot, it is going to eventually be bad for you guys. If it's sex, whatever it is, even if it's like eating a lot of vegetables or drinking a lot of water, that is going to be unhealthy, right? So everything should be in moderation. That is what I feel like. Okay, don't overdo things. If you're overworking, take break. Like your divine, like our energy should be balanced. I feel like sometimes you are in extremes, like the pendulum, right? uh, it is not balanced. Like it will go at left, then it will go other ways, it will go right, something like that. I'm feeling like, yeah, you're not in balance. So sometimes you overwork. When you start working, you just work, you don't take care of yourself. And for others of you, you don't work at all, you like procrastinate. So there should be a like middle ground, right? There should be a balance. Like if you're working for 2 days, like take a break, or if you're working for 2 hours, take a break of 15 minutes, something like that. Okay, don't overdo it. Or maybe for some of you it's like you start exercising and you like exercise for 1 week, like for 2 hours a day, and then the next week you don't do anything. So it's like moderation. Do it every day, like in moderation. That is what is coming here. A lot of creative ideas, you have a lot of dreams, I feel like, but at the same time you're so afraid to pursue your dreams. You have a hunger inside of you, like you want this, I want to do this, but at the same time there is so much fear surrounding your dreams. Like if I take that path, oh, everyone is going on the left side of the road, how can I go on the right side? What if it's a jungle, or what if there is nothing? Like very much afraid of the unknown. So your spirit guides are like, take the right direction, they are with you. Maybe it will be your best decision, right? Maybe your siblings are doing maybe your siblings are very much successful, and like you are like not there yet, and you're like comparing them. I don't know why I'm getting the siblings here. Maybe you're comparing yourself to your siblings. Don't do it, okay? They are comparison is not going to do anything good to you, okay? It will only take your peace of mind, and you will, like maybe you're very competitive, like I want to do better than him or better than her. Get out of it. Do what is best for you, okay? Become a better person each day. I'm getting here. Only try to improve yourself, don't try to improve other people, okay? And when you work on yourself, things will automatically work outside of you, okay? That is what I feel like. That is what I'm getting the messages. I'm getting Libra sign, Libra. I'm getting Pisces, okay? I'm getting Sagittarius. So like you are like I'm getting this Sagittarius vibe, where you are very honest about your opinions. For some of you, you're very honest. Sometimes, yeah, it's good to be honest, but sometimes be honest kind. I'm getting like yeah, sometimes we speak our truth. It's good in a way, but sometimes it's very like maybe the other person will feel very bad. So be honest, but at the same time be kind. That is what I feel like. For some of you it's like that message is yeah. Yeah, your third eye and your crown chakra. Om mantra will be good for you guys. Maybe if you can chant, do that. If you eat a lot of junk food, like once a while it's okay, there's nothing wrong, but if you're overindulging it, stop it, okay? Take care of yourself. Have a spiritual bath. Like if you have a bathtub in your home, just lay there and relax for 1 hour, okay? Without thinking anything, like just play good music and just enjoy the music. Like for at least for 1 hour a day, do that, okay? Without stressing about anything. Yeah, at least 1 hour a day, do it, and you will feel much better, okay? That is what they're telling me, okay? Archangel Metatron is with you, guiding you. He's showing you the truth. He's giving you the clear picture. But for some of you even if you know it intuitively, you are ignoring it, okay? Maybe you have this intuitive feeling that I need to do this, like I need to pursue this path, maybe a career path, or maybe a particular relationship, or maybe you feel like in your relationship you are too controlling, or maybe this relationship is not right for you. You know it intuitively, but at the same time you're ignoring it. You're ignoring things. Maybe your body is trying to say something to you and you're ignoring it. So it's time to take care of it. Like maybe you have problems like with your stomach. Yeah, I'm getting stomach problems, but at the same time you're not doing anything, you're not making changes in your diet. So maybe it's time to take care of that. Make changes in your diet. If your stomach is like always bloated, or if you have any stomach issues, so take care of it. Do something, research about it, or maybe consult a doctor. Yeah, I'm getting the vision of a kite flying on the sky. So be free. Like, don't try to control things. Let the kite fly. Like, be in the moment and let the kite fly. Let it go. Let it go. Like, let it go where it wants to go. Where you're trying to control so many things. Do you have some resentments towards anyone? Are you angry about something? Maybe that's why you are drinking a lot, or maybe you're smoking a lot. If it's not the case, this is for the ones, yeah. So this is a general reading. I'm getting this. I'm getting this vibe of like a lot of cigarette. I don't know why, but a lot of smoke. I'm feeling like I'm seeing a vision of a man standing and smoking and smoking and thinking and thinking and thinking. Like, I'm getting that. It's time to stop that. Like, it's time to break that pattern and be free. Okay, I'm seeing a tattoo, like a bird's tattoo. Maybe you're planning to do a bird tattoo, or maybe you have a tattoo. Bob, Bob. Okay, Bob. It's like an ancestor is around you. Maybe a loved one is around you. He's telling you, yeah, what are you doing? They're like giving you signs and symbols. What are you doing? Stop this. Get back on track. Maybe you have been exercising for 1 month and now you have stopped exercising, or now you're not taking care of your health. Like, get back on track. Okay, that is what I feel. Get back on track. So some of you, like, I'm seeing birthday cake. Maybe your birthday is this month or something like that. Maybe your birthday. So you're going to spend some quality time with your friends also. I feel like. Yeah, I'm seeing like happy. I'm smiley faces. I'm seeing. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so I feel like if you can go out, spend some quality time in nature, it will be very beneficial for you guys. Like, rest and rejuvenation is very important for you guys. So if you're recovering from some illness, meditate, like, spend time with nature, because nature heals. That is what I feel. Like, that is the message I'm getting. Nature heals. Connect with Mother Earth, Gaia. Sage your home. Okay, yeah, if your home is very messy, organize your home. Like a tidy home. I like, do a little bit of organization. If your office room is scattered, do a little bit of organization. If your closet, like, yeah, do a little bit of organization. Or maybe you have a lot of documents to organize, just go and do it. Okay, the thing that is blocking you is right now is your overindulgence. Like, do do things in moderation. That is the key. Like, do everything in moderation. Your advice is like, you're overcoming maybe I feel someone was deceptive, and maybe because of this person you are feeling, yeah, someone did yeah, deceptive work. Maybe someone did something behind your back, or maybe they took your money or something like that. It's time to forgive this person so you can move forward, right? And say, like, green aventurine crystal will be good for you. Yeah, I feel like you need to let go of that money. If you have, maybe someone owns you some money and they are not giving you back. So it's like your spirit guides are telling you, let go of that money. Okay, when you let go, when you surrender, you will get that money from different source. Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe that person might not return it, but you will get it from a different source. So don't hold on to that. Let go, forgive them. Yeah, some of your manifestations are coming true. If you have been manifesting about like a gift or something, you wanted a gift, or you wanted some materialistic thing, I feel like it is coming for you guys. That is what yeah, gift, a beautiful gift. Okay, so I'm just gonna take an angel card from here last to end the reading. Okay, so okay, faith. Okay, do not lose Fade the storm clouds will soon clear and the sun will shine once more. Okay, so that is the last message for you guys. Okay, I yeah, I hope you got something from this reading. If you got, I'll be very happy. And if it doesn't, if it's if your birthday month lands on the 11th of to 20th of any month, and this is your reading. I'm doing things very differently here today. I'm just channeling information and giving it to you guys. So there are no tarot cards. I'll be just pulling out a card from this at the end of the reading. So I'm channeling information. So this is the first time I'm getting out of my comfort zone, doing something different. So if it doesn't resonate, it's okay. So yeah, if it resonates, yeah, if you get some messages, I'll be very happy. Okay, yeah. So let's start, right? Okay. So I'm feeling a very happy vibe. Okay, the energy is very light for you guys. I'm very happy. I like, let me, yeah, my angels. I'm calling upon my angels, archangels, spirit guides to help me with this reading. So yeah. So congratulations. I mean, like, congratulations. That is what is coming here. So something. Maybe for some of you are getting engaged. Maybe you're getting proposed. Maybe you're getting accepted by a university that you always wanted to get into. Or maybe you're getting into a dream job, or a dream job. Or yeah, maybe you're connecting with a friend, a deep friendship also I'm feeling. Maybe for some of you this proposal will be virtual, like this person will propose you virtually. Okay, that is also I feel like. Okay, some initials I got: G, J, K, L, S, M. Okay, and some numbers for you guys. Okay, 220 and 550. So things are changing for you guys. Okay, so for some of you it's like relocating to some places. Like, yeah, I'm getting in the next 6 months. Okay, there is a relocation happening for you guys. Maybe you're traveling abroad. 3 to 6 months, yeah, that is the period. Or for maybe for some of you planning your marriage next, it's quite possible next 3 to 6 months you will be getting married. Okay, so yeah, deep friendship is there happening for you guys. It's all about love. You are like stepping forward, like like for some of you it's like entering into new phase of your life, doing something new job, or a new course, like new studies, like going abroad and doing something new, right? New people. But you will be able to adjust there. Okay, you will be able to adjust there. Don't worry about it. You're a leader. I feel like. Okay, for some of you, if you are in this new job, people will look up to you, because you have this leadership quality. Or if you're already good in your job, you are going to get some promotion, like you are going to be like graduated. That is what I feel like next step. Like if you're single, getting married or getting proposed, or if you don't have a friend, like getting a new friend. If you don't have a pet, getting a new pet. Upgrading, something is upgrading in your life. Yeah, money wise also I see a little bit of increase for you guys. For some of you, you might be starting a new part-time job, and this job will be good for you guys. If you're students, but yeah, I feel like you will start, you will be happy with your job. You will be able to balance things. Okay, I'm getting past. Your past is like over now. You're a new person all over again. For some of you, you want to get a bird or something, like a bird pet. If you're desiring, go for it. Like, yeah, north, I'm getting northern hemisphere. Maybe you're going there. Okay, I'm just heard that word. I don't know about it. Yes, some of you are trying to lose weight. Keep going, you will. And don't focus too much on the scales, right? Like, don't focus too much on the numbers. Just take care of your health, exercise daily. Don't be too focused on the numbers. Sometimes you get irritated when you see, if you are the person who gets up every day, you check the weight. Don't do that. Like check in a while, like 1 week or in 2 weeks, check it. Don't get too much caught up with the numbers. Whatever, if you have a social media page, then don't get too much with the numbers. Just do your work. Sometimes we get too much in the numbers, likes, dislikes. Don't do that. Sometimes there will be naysayers. If you have like social media page or Instagram, I feel like a lot of people will be recognizing your work if you have something like that, and many people will be DMing you, okay. So it's important you have a boundary, right? Maybe you cannot reply to everyone. Sometimes it's not possible to reply to everyone. Don't feel guilty about it. Maybe you want to, yeah, you're the person who wants to give advice to everyone, or you want to help everyone. Sometimes we are like that, because you have this leadership quality. We want to help everyone because we are not the boss, we are the leaders, and boss always orders, and leaders is like they work with people. So you're leaders, you want to help people, but sometimes you cannot do everything, right? You cannot help everyone. So if you're not able to message everyone back, if you're getting a lot of emails, I'm getting like that. Sometimes it's not possible to reply to everyone. So it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, a lot of communication is happening. I'm getting the Jupiter vibe for you guys. Jupiter energy, expansion, growth. Maybe for some of you, you might be able to travel. Like when this COVID restrictions are like gone, you'll be able to travel, I feel like. Yeah, I'm seeing this roller coaster, and you're enjoying with your friends and like laughing, talking things, like eating ice cream, something like that, having fun. Okay. For some of you, you might visit a cold place, like I'm playing with ice. Okay, if you want it, yeah, if you live in a place where there is no like ice and all, there is no snowfall and all, I feel like you will travel there and enjoy. Maybe you will do camping, hiking. For some of you, I feel like that also is possible. The spirit guides are telling me again, remember your leaders, okay? So don't feel guilty. Don't take too much on your plate. You cannot help everyone. You're not meant to save the world. Someone here needs to know that you're not meant to save the world. You can do your part, but you cannot save the whole people. Like you cannot save everyone. So do your part. Don't be in this guilt mentality that I couldn't do this, I couldn't do that. Okay. Yeah. Heater? Okay, what about heater? I just heard the word heater. So things are heating up. Yeah, romantically things are heating up, I feel like. Yeah, soulmate connection. Yeah, if you're talking with someone, this thing will heat up. Okay, maybe you will get into like next step of your relationship. Okay, that is what I feel like. Yeah, promise rings. For some of you, it's like promise ring. Getting promise rings. Finally, you will trust this person. Yeah, I feel for many of you, you had problems in relationship. You maybe in the past people have cheated on you, but finally you are overcoming that, and this relationship is going to be, this person is going to be very loyal. This can be a Leo. I'm getting Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. And I'm getting you are going to work on yourself. You're going to work on your looks. Maybe you will start doing makeup. For some of you, I feel like if you don't do makeup, maybe you start doing makeup. Maybe you're changing your style a little bit. Maybe you're cutting your hair. That is also, I feel like. I'm seeing plane. Yeah, travel. I told you. Most probably you will be traveling to some new place. For some of you, maybe a cold place. I'm getting traveling to a cold place. Yeah. Okay. You're very protected. I just saw kangaroo, and the kangaroos, like they protect their child. Like, yeah, that is what I feel. You're very protected. So wherever you go, you will be easily able to make friends. Okay, there will be people who you will be easily able to connect with, so don't worry too much about it. Yeah, don't get homesick. Some of you will feel like that, homesickness or something like that. Maybe you will be away from home, so you will feel like that. So don't worry, you will be protected there. You will be able you will be able to adjust to that environment. Okay, so yeah, that's all I'm getting for you guys. I'm getting chariot energy. So again, travel is on the cards for you guys, like movement, like uh, from a single person to getting a married person, like that. Or if you're married woman or men, you're becoming parents, something like that, like next step, graduation, like something for you guys. So let's see what else. This is the last. Let's see the message. Okay, I have heard your call for help. Your prayer will be soon answered. Yeah, I told you about congratulations. So something you have been praying for, so that is going to be answered. So like something, yeah, I'm getting, maybe you're praying for getting married or something like that, or a relationship, manifesting that. So yeah, I feel like that is what is going to get answered. Or maybe you want that job, or you want to get into that university. So they have heard you. Okay, your prayers are going to be answered. So that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Hello, if your birthday date lands on 21st to 31st of any month, this is your reading. So today I'm doing the things very differently. I'm not using tarot cards. I'm just channeling messages, intuitive reading. This is going to be very intuitive reading. I will just pick up a message at the end of the reading from this pumpkin, like, okay. So yeah, so it might resonate, it might not resonate. So I'm doing something different, okay. Getting out of my comfort zone. So yeah, so be positive, guys. Spread that positive vibes. I know this file is all about positivity. I am getting that you're very positive people. You give positivity to other people. You are the ones who give advice to other people. Yeah, I'm getting Archangel Gabriel is working with you. They give you lot of ideas, communication. Maybe you are bloggers, you make videos, or you're very good communicators, I feel like. Okay, so yeah, as you work on your throat chakra, your intuition is also strong. Okay, yeah, shining your light. Your light is not going to be dim. You're going to glow. I'm getting that you're glowing. For some of you, if you are in YouTube channel, if you have a YouTube channel or any social media page, if you are in any ways on any public platform, your subscribers are going to be increasing. People will be recognizing you. You're getting into spotlight, like the star card. Yeah, you're getting into the spotlight. For some of you, it's like dancing. You post dancing video, people will be like appreciating your dance moves. Or maybe you are influencers or something like that, doing fashion or something like that kind of area. If you're doing that, yes, you are going to see a lot of growth. Maybe you're going to get a lot of sponsorship things, collaborations are going to come your way. If you're very creative, if you do art or something like that, I'm getting that also. That in that also you will thrive. Nail art, I'm getting. For some of you, nail, you do, if you are planning on doing some nail or mehendi, henna, something like that, just go for it, do it. You're going to shine your light, and through this you're going to get a lot of abundance, a lot of money wise increase, I'm feeling. Okay, so yeah, don't dim your light for anyone. If there are naysayers, if someone say that your product is not good or your services are not good, or what you're talking rubbish, or if someone says that, don't take that energy, okay, because you are shining your light, you're doing good, I feel you're adding something, some value to the society. So remember that and be proud of yourself. Whatever you're doing, be proud of yourself. And whenever you feel like comparing yourself to anyone else, all you need to do is to compare yourself to the past you, and you will know that how far you have come. Okay, that's all you have to do. Don't go with the trends. Yeah, I'm getting here. Don't go with the trends. Do something unique, and you will be trending. Like, that is what I feel like. You're going to do something different, and you will be trending. You don't have to copy or get inspired from other people. It's okay to get inspired though, but you can make you are on content, you can do something differently, you have that kind of ideas, so take that idea and work with that idea. Okay, you don't have to follow other people, like what they are doing. Oh, this is the trend, so I'll do this. No, you are going to make the trend, you are the trendsetter. Okay, that is what I feel like. Yeah, you're very courageous people, you're getting into that strength energy, right? In the past maybe you were very afraid, you were very fear of, you're very fearful of things. Maybe you were very fearful of opening a YouTube page. No, I'll not do this, I cannot do this. You never thought that you will do it, but you're overcoming your fear and doing something that you never expected that you will do. That is, and you're gonna thrive in that. So you are going to surprise yourself, you'll be surprising yourself a lot. Okay, that is what I'm getting for group number 3. Your minus point is like your one, like the thing that the spirit is saying, the minus point here is like you think too much about other people. Oh, what they will say if I do this. Oh, what if this doesn't work? What are they say? And if someone says, you take it to the heart. Don't do that. Set that boundary. Protect yourself. Sage your home. Many people are going to be very jealous of you. You're transforming. You're not going to be the person you were last year. You're transforming. Like if you haven't met your friend for like over 2 years, they will, when they will meet you, they will be like, oh my god, who this person is. They will not recognize you because you have changed so much. You are like, your behavior, your personality, everything is changing. You're constantly evolving, you're changing, you're growing. A lot of growth energy. You're connecting to your spirituality, you're connecting to your life purpose. So don't thrive for a status. Like, do that what makes you happy. You don't want to prove it to other people, so get out of that energy. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. If you're feeling like that, oh, I have to prove it to my parents told me that I will not do it, I'll not make it, don't be in that energy. You don't have to prove it to anyone. All you need to do is work on your light and become more kind, become more compassionate, and when you thrive, they will see it. You don't have to prove it, right? So don't be in that energy. Like, I want to prove it. Sometimes it's good because it will motivate you, but I feel like you don't have to think that I want to prove that, then only that's why I'm doing it. No, do it for yourself. Okay, whatever you're doing, do it for yourself, your own growth. Okay. And yeah, for some of you, I feel like you'll be buying a lot of makeup. Okay, yeah, that was like very specific message here. Like buying makeup, learning makeup, maybe joining a makeup, like, yeah, for learning, doing some extra online classes, or maybe you will be teaching something online. That is also, I feel like, if you're called to do that, go for it. Sometimes we feel like that they will not, people will not join me, or they will not attend my workshops. It's just your thinking. Just put that effort. People will come, people will support you. Okay. Yeah, I feel like you have gone through a major tower moment, okay, in your life. You have seen a lot of endings, like, yeah, something has ended in your life, like it's a rebirth. Yeah, so connect with your inner child more, okay. You're healing your inner child. I feel like in the past, maybe your parents haven't recognized you, like maybe your teachers, you were that quiet kid who like no one recognized you. I feel like sometimes, yeah, when we are quiet, no one recognizes us. So you were that kind of kid, but you're getting the recognition. The things that you deserve, you're getting it. Okay, so it's all about your growth. Like 9 of Pentacles energy I'm feeling for you guys, like making your own coins, taking care of yourself, dressing nicely, becoming more attractive, that's what, becoming more confident. It's like your soul, you're growing, your soul is like you're becoming more wiser. You're doing things for yourself, not for others. Like sometimes sometimes what we do is, like, because of other people we get married, like sometimes we do that, right? So many people do that, like for sake of our parents we get married, for the sake of our parents we do a particular course. So I feel you are getting out of that. Now you have done that in past, but now you're like, I cannot do it for the sake of other people. If it doesn't make me happy, why I am doing it? So you're going to do the things that is going to make you happy. Yeah, even though there were, even if there is challenges, you will be able to overcome it. Your spirit guides, your angels are there with you. So practice meditations, sorry, do meditation, yeah, practice meditation. Why I said sorry, I don't know. Okay, okay, maybe you say a lot of sorry, sorry, sorry. So sometimes you don't have to do that. Okay, I don't know for who this is. Sometimes we are so afraid of making mistakes. Remember, from mistakes we learn. Okay. Yeah, we learn from our own mistakes, so it's okay to make mistake, just don't repeat the mistake. Yeah, for some of you, I like felt like divorce, so maybe you will be getting out of a difficult relationship. Maybe this person has controlled you, maybe because of this person you were not able to do the things you wanted to do, and finally you're releasing this person, you're doing something by yourself, finally living by yourself, becoming independent. Sometimes it's very challenging, but you will be able to overcome that, and you will I'm hearing the words, you are going to thrive. Okay, whatever you're going to do, you're going to thrive. So for some of you, like mural paintings, I don't know, mural, maybe you're doing mural paintings or painting on wall, or maybe you're decorating your home. That is also quite possible. Decorating your space, maybe you'll do that. You're very artistic. For some of you, you're very artistic, very creative people. Okay, yeah. Prosperity, yeah, prosperity, abundance, empress energy. Empress energy, that is what I feel for you guys. Empress energy, reaping, if you're planting the seeds right now, you will see the growth. You are growing, your roots are becoming so strong, no one can pull you out because your roots are so strong. You're becoming like that. No one, other people words are not going to affect you in the future. You're becoming that strong. Okay, if you feel like you're not strong right now, you are becoming like that. You are going to be that strong tree whose roots are very strong. Like, yeah, you cannot take that out. It will not fall down because its roots are so strong. So your foundation is strong. So whatever you're creating right now, your foundations are stronger. Okay, it will not fall. Your foundation, like tower, you have seen like a lot of tower moments where things fall apart, but for you guys, in the future, I see your foundations are very strong, so it's not going to fall. Okay, so don't worry. Yeah, I'm getting snake, like, yeah, rebirth, like shedding that old skin. You're like you're shedding the old skin, becoming a new you, a new version of you, who's strong, who's confident, who's courageous, who is not taking, like, yeah, if life throws like a lemon, you will make the lemonade or lemon ice cream out of it. That kind of energy I'm feeling. Like you're going to be very balanced, and when a person is very balanced, then nothing can happen to that person. That is what I feel like. Maybe you're gathering a lot of information, you're reading a lot of self-help books, you're focusing on your mental health, you're focusing on your spirituality. So that's why you're growing. You're growing. You have a lot of wisdom to give it to other people. And in the future, I see there will be many people who will come towards you to ask for guidance. Give it to them. You don't have to give it to the sometimes we feel like we need to give that guidance to everyone, our family members, but sometimes our family members are not ready for that guidance. So you don't have to give that guidance if they're not ready. Like, if they ask, just give it. But if they're not asking, if they don't want, if they don't feel like if they don't resonate with you, don't waste your energy on that. Okay, it's their life, and maybe it's not the time for them to understand the things you understood, right? So everything has a timing, right? So maybe it's not, their time hasn't come. Maybe they will not understand it now. So don't force anything on anyone. Maybe your knowledge, you have a lot of knowledge, maybe you want to make other people's life easy, so that's why you're saying you use this law of attraction or something like that. But they will be like, what are you saying? Because maybe they're not ready for that. So don't give too much knowledge to other people. If they're asking, give it, but otherwise you don't have to do that. Become an example, show them by thriving, then they will know, then they will come to you. Okay, yeah, there are going to be a lot of jealous people around you, because they will be like, oh wow, this person is so lucky and all, but they don't know how much work you're doing, right? So you are protected. Sage your home, do protection meditations. That's what I'm getting. Okay, and you're going to be in this Aries energy. You're going to take charge of the things you want to do. You're going to be very independent. Yeah, I'm getting that Aries vibe. You're the emperor. You know what you need to do. You're going to be in your power. Group number 3. So let's see what is the last message for you guys. Okay. Intentions. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. Yeah. So be clear about your intentions, guys. So whatever you want, you can achieve it. I was telling you about that only, right? So have faith, move forward. There will be naysayers. Don't don't think about them too much, and just believe in yourself and go forward with it. I even feel like that you are the one who will change your family. Like, because of you, your family will thrive. You will help your family, like financially, something like that. You're going to do something big. And that is what for group number 3. That is what I'm receiving the messages. So that's it. Bye bye, take care.